Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix events tab not showing on Facebook. So if you're not able to find this Facebook event tab here, I will show you some of this solution. Make sure you follow till the end. Very first thing is that if you use the Android phone, go to Play Store. If you use iOS, then just go to the App Store. And here you have to go to the search bar and look for Facebook. Now in the case of open, right, you will find this option of update. So you have to update your Facebook app right now. And once you update, just go back to Facebook and open it up. If you get this event tab, then you can just like this video and leave. If you're not getting this option, then you have to go to the setting, right? And once you go to the settings here, we have to go to the app section, right? So here you can see this is app section. Tap on it. Then we have to go to the app management. For those who don't know what is app management shows all the application which is installed on your phone. You can search for Facebook or you can scroll and tap on it. Then you have to go to the storage usage, clear the cache, and that's it. Just go back to Facebook once again and search for event tab. If you get it, then it's great. Otherwise, go and click on manage space here and click on delete. So if you click on delete, let me remind you that you have to log in into your Facebook app once again, right? And after that, your Facebook will get an event tab. You have to reboot your phone after this, and that's it. So these are the solution. Make sure you follow till the end and like this video, subscribe.